Is your client on?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Suarez, can you hear me okay?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start your case, all right? This is cause number 2018 CR 6840W. Is your name Nazarene Suarez?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you the same person who was placed on probation back on February 22nd of 2019 or a period of 6 years for the offense of possession of a controlled substance or to 200 grams?
Yes, ma'am, I was.
Okay. So it's my understanding that you want to enter a plea to having violated the terms and conditions of your probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Mr. McLean, how long have you represented your client?
I've represented more than 10 days, Your Honor.
And you feel she's mentally competent to go forward with the MTR?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay. And have y'all worked out some sort of an agreement?
We have, Your Honor.
Okay. Did y'all inform your client, though, that I do not have to follow it if I don't want to?
I did, Judge. I told her that you are the judge and you get to make those decisions.
Okay. All right. Ms. Suarez,
Yes.
you understand that I don't have to follow your agreement that you've worked out with the state?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
Okay. Which allegation is the state proceeding on?
Number 2, 4, and 40.
Okay, if you can read those.
Violation of condition number 2, on or about the 20th day of July, 2021 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Nazarene Suarez, did then and there illegally use marijuana in violation of condition number 2.
Okay. Do you understand that charge, Ms. Suarez?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
And how do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Violation of condition number 4, on or about the 23rd day of July, 2021 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Nazarene Suarez, did then and there fail to obtain and keep gainful employment in a lawful occupation and fail to show proof of employment in violation of condition number 4.
Do you understand that allegation, Ms. Suarez?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
And how do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
In violation of condition number 40, on or about the 23rd day of July, 2021 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Nazarene Suarez, did then and there fail to comply with zero tolerance supervision in violation of condition number 40.
Do you understand that allegation, Ms. Suarez?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
And how do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
All right. Did anybody promise you anything to get you to plead true to these allegations?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
Anybody force you or threaten you in any way?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right. So you're entering your pleas of true of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
Okay. All right. I'll accept the pleas of true. And what's the recommendation of the parties?
It's to reform the underlying sentence to 2 years and revoke and sentence her to 2 years, Your Honor. And she does have 361 days in.
Your Honor, that's our understanding, and that was the agreement we reached with the prosecution. We would respectfully ask the court to follow that agreement that we have.
Ms. Suarez, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor, that is true.
Okay. And you want me to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor, that is true.
Okay. All right. Having found the violations true, I'm going to revoke your community supervision. I'm going to reform the sentence from 6 years.
5 years, Your Honor.
Okay. It says 6 years on the MTR, but I'm going to reform it to 2 years. Is there any legal reason why the sentence cannot be imposed, Mr. McLean?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Then I am going to sentence you to 2 years in the Texas Department of Criminal Justice Institutional Division, giving you credit for any time you were owed. The representation made to me is that you have 361 days credit, but the clerks will have to verify that. Since I did follow your agreement, your right to appeal in this situation is very limited. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
Okay. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. Take care. Hey, Jordan, they're ready on Melissa Harris sentencing. Can you do that one before you get
Judge, I'm available.
pulled away? Okay. Jennifer, are you on? Okay. Is your
I'm here,
client
Judge.
ready?
Melissa, will you turn on your video and speaker? Thank you.
Okay. You ready, Mary Beth? Okay. All right. This is cause number 2020 CR 5288. Is your name Melissa Harris?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And according to my records, you were here a while back and you entered a plea to the offense of injury to a child. Is that your recollection of what happened?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and we reset for a pre-sentence investigation to decide whether or not the plea bargain that you've reached with the state is acceptable to the court. Is that your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Prior to this hearing, I have had an opportunity to review the PSI and the TAP evaluation. Ms. Zarka, are there any additions, corrections, explanations regarding the PSI that you'd like to offer at this time?
I want the court to understand, it's been 2 years worth of very, very intensive CPS involvement with this family's life. There have been no additional injuries to this child in that time. Another child has also been born to the family who's also had pretty strict scrutiny and health care, and there have been no injuries to the new child. The family has done everything recommended by CPS and has even taken it upon themselves to do additional training and service. And so we want the court to know, should the court follow this agreement for 6 years deferred, we just want the court to feel okay that the family is doing everything they can to make sure that the children are safe and happy and in a secure environment. So we are asking the court to follow the 6-year deferred recommendation by the state that we agree to.
Okay. Does the state have anything to add at this time?
No, Judge. Basically, I agree with what Ms. Zarka informed the court. Based on the overall situation and the CPS compliance, the state believe that this is the appropriate offer and is asking the court to follow the agreement.
Okay. Ms. Harris, do you have anything you want to say?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. I'm going to follow the agreement. I'm going to withhold the finding of guilt, place you on deferred adjudication for a 6-year term with an affirmative finding of family violence, $1,500 fine, of which I will probate $1,000, no harmful or injurious contact with Emmanuel Harris or your new baby, monthly UAs. And was there anything else recommended? I don't think so. And the TAP is just recommending UAs every 30 days unless the situation changes. Ms. Harris, since I did follow your plea bargain, you do not have a right to appeal this decision without my permission. And if you'll please stay on the Zoom call and meet with the probation officer, they'll get you set up. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. And may I go into the breakout room with probation as well?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thanks, Jordan.
Hey, Sarah, I'll be right back. Okay.
Judge.